Hey, it's Culper and Monkey Lockpicks. Just reached 300 subscribers, so congratulations to the Monkey Lockpicks. I wasn't subscribed to you before, but I am now. That being said, I won't use this as an entry, but I do appreciate the challenge. I've been seeing a lot of these videos, so I wanted to partake in it, and these showed up this morning. I've never picked cuffs before. I thought it was pretty cool. I got some marks for the reward, but it was well worth it. See if these work. They are real handcuffs. Police officers use these. Smith & Wesson M&P. I believe that's military and police. Okay, show you that it does work. Here is the key to that. Just your average key, I guess. So I've got to pick a lock while being handcuffed, and then pick out of the handcuffs. So alright, not getting out of that. Just fixing that. Okay. So I got the pack lock, pack lock 410 Pro. This is the 7-pinner. Here's the key. It's got its ups and downs. It works. And Buddy Diggs kind of upped the ante. So this is not part of the challenge, but this makes it even more challenging. Now I gotta find my picks. Alright, this is gonna suck. I can't even see the keyway. This is gonna be different. If we could, alright, just make sure we're in there right. Make sure I'm not picking the warding. Yeah, the warding is kind of in the way there. Okay, we had a view set. Gotta readjust here. The camera wasn't a problem before, it is now, so Okay, we got something towards the very back there, maybe. Hopefully that's what it was. Sweet. I'm not getting anything. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh. Did we open? We've made it open. Get it out of there. Oh. Alright, well that paid off. Sort of. But now we gotta get out of the handcuffs, and it's something that... Alright. Let's do this. Okay. Got a little bit. All right. For some reason, the cuff on the right side is a little bit different. It responds differently. So hoping we could get it. Oh, yes. It's not completely open. I think as a rule said only one cuff, but I'm getting both off. That's for it was this challenge. All right, so. Alright, 7-pin pack lock, Smith & Wesson MPs, open, wrist bruised for a week. Alright, congratulations, Monkey Lockpicks, on your 300 subscribers. That was fun. Take care.